Jelly Joe, Wishmaster, Midway.
Aren't you gonna read me my rights, Vazinski?
You have the right to shut the hell up.
Screw you!
This is a DEA collar. Don't move in until I give the word.
Yeah, right.
He's going for the gun!
Asshole. Come on, boys.
Hey,
What are you kidding? You could pick this asshole up with a magnet.
I'll kill you all! I'll kill you all!
Golden brown, texture like sun, lays me down.
Niggas won't creep these streets with me, cause you know fucking with these streets will be. Make it one up, then I'm gonna, cause I gotta pop, 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 pop. I look through the 11th floor, take one last puff with an endo. Back in the briefcase, wipe the sweat off. I'm coming with you. Catch you, don't stop you in your get ready. Stop the gun. I hate to be the type of nigga to leave you slumped and run, but I'm on a job, and right now there's more niggas that need to be left with a head full of lead, resting easily, and that 20 G's a beat to a good use. The only excuse I have for what I do is love of abuse. Niggas won't creep these streets with me, cause you know fucking with these streets will be. Make you wanna, then I'm gonna, cause I gotta pop, 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 nigga. Niggas won't creep these streets with me, cause you know fucking with these streets will be. Make you wanna, then I'm gonna, cause I gotta pop, 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 pop. I can catch you in the very waiting. I can do that crazy shit and follow you home. Make a noise, you turn around and I put one in your dome. Last thing you saw was chrome and a flash of light. A blast of right, nigga, that's your ass tonight. I could put a bomb in your car and watch it explode. Then make a call, tell them all they found was a I choked. Pop, 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 pop.
What the fuck was this dude on?
Captain, we have several officers down. We have backup en route. Ambulances are on the way, but I need you to get back to the precinct ASAP. This could be the start of a dark day. Captain, that guy should not have gotten up. I know, Marcus. Go ahead and get back to the station. We've got a lot to discuss. I'll be right there.
That's my life. To tell the big what I do with my life. Kill nigga, kill this. That's my life.
Hey, what's going on? I was in the middle of a bust when I... What the hell is he doing here?
Nice going. I got 8 dead cops on my watch, and you picked tonight to take creative license with your badge.
I'm an artist like that.
The DEA is forcing themselves on this case. Your old partner Marcus is the lead agent on the case, and I don't need any problems from either of you.
There won't be.
I bet you must be overjoyed. Getting to work with real cops again.
Since when have you been a real cop? Let me know when you get the crime lab results. Gentlemen?
Come here.
Base.
Jack, I know you think being my nephew gives you special privileges, but you ought to know by now it doesn't count for squat. You've been kicked to beat cop for that stunt you pulled with the perp. You can't work as a detective until you increase your badge rating. Them's the rules, hotshot.
I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm that nigga in the alley. I'm your doctor when in need. Want some coke, have some weed. You know me, I'm your friend, your main boy, thick and thin. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man.
Evil must be destroyed. Hey, what was that for?
So, they sent you down, huh, Jack? Well, welcome back to the land of the little people. All right, follow me. Shit, that guy has a gun. Let's move in and flash our badge and show him we're cops.
Police! Police! Get the fuck down! Police!
Nice work, Jack. As you can see, sometimes identifying yourself helps out. Also, make sure you never tarnish that badge because Capo Civic, I will bust your ass. Obviously, it is our job as cops to bust up crimes and turn any recovered contraband in as evidence. That's it for me. There's another cop that'll instruct you further.
What's your problem, man? Back off, bitch!
I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm that nigga in the alley. I'm your doctor when in need. Want some coke, have some weed.
Get the
You
fuck
know
down.
me, I'm
Police.
your friend, your
Freeze.
main boy, thick and thin. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man.
Let's find someone for you to bust. In this city, it shouldn't take too long to spot a punk. See that perp over there? Let's go bust him. Come on.
stash, heavy bread, baddest bitches in the bed. I'm your pusher man.
Go ahead and cuff him.
I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. Solid life of crime. A man of odd circumstance. A victim of ghetto demands. Feed me money for stock. And I'll let you trip for a while. Insecure from the past. How long can a good thing last? Ooh, got to be mellow, y'all. Gotta get mellow now. Push it, man, get mellow, y'all. I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm that nigga in the alley. I'm your doctor when you need, want some coke, have some weed. You know me, I'm your friend, your main boy, thick and thin. I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man. Ain't I clean, bad machine, super cool, super mean, feeling good for the man, super fly, here I stand, secret stash, heavy bread, baddest bitches in the bed. I'm your pusher man.
Somebody take this idiot downtown.
I'm your pusher man. I'm your pusher man.
Freeze!
Solid life of crime. A man of odd circumstance.
That's it for me. Make sure you take those drugs to the drop box at the police station. There's another cop on your map that'll help you out.
Insecure from the past.
Look out, asshole!
How long can a good thing last?
Detective Forzensky.
Hey,
Detective
jackass.
Forzensky.
Hey, big your ass. You wanna play?
Hey, what was that for?
Hey, Jack. I'm here to train you on some grappling moves. First off, let's learn how to soften me up a bit to wear me down. Oh, and Jack, go easy on me, all right?
I'm your mama, I'm your daddy, I'm that nigga in the alley. I'm your doctor when you need, want some coke, have some weed. You know me, I'm your friend, your main boy, thick and thin. I'm your pusher man.
Good job, Jack. Now I'll teach you how to throw me from a grappled position.
Ain't I clean, bad machine, super cool, super mean, feeling good for the man, super fly.
This is really no fun unless you join us.
Yes, please join us.
I tend to subscribe to
this policy.
Damn right I do.
Do it, do it, do it.
Now, did you do it? You know what I'm saying?